Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix this version of Vanguard. Requires a secure boot in Valorant. And now I'll show you how to fix this error. Usually it's due to anti-cheat features that Valorant has due to the Riot client. So I want you to just right click on your start icon, go to settings, okay? And you can come here, click on Windows Update, click here on advanced options, and here under additional options you'll see recovery, okay? Click on that. And then I want you to come here under recovery options. You'll see advanced startup. Restart your PC now under advanced startup and just wait for the restart process. Then here choose troubleshoot, go to advanced options and then click on UEFI firmware settings. Okay, we need to change these settings. So we need to restart to change them. Click on restart. And once it restarts, this is your UEFI menu. So you come here, the left-hand panel, click on the security tab, and then it depends on your model. This one's a Lenovo, so you can just check where Secure Boot is. So it's not here under TCG, so you can go to Secure Boot. So make sure this one is enabled. Okay, if it's not, go ahead and enable that, right? Save the settings, and then you go restart your computer, go to System Information, okay? And then you can go ahead and see if it's actually been enabled, secure boot. If it is, perfect. Now you can just go ahead and press Windows plus R on your keyboard for the run command. Just type in tpm.msc. I suggest you also go ahead and make sure TPM is on. So click on OK, and you open this one, trusted platform module, TPM basically. And if you see the status as TPM is ready for use, you can launch Valorant and it should work. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.